Welcome, in front of me is a Zenfone 8, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, you can either tap on it to instantly turn it on, but I do advise you to hold the toggle. This will take us to the settings where you can change things like, for instance, our password. So let's tap on the Wi-Fi hotspot right here and then choose hotspot password. And as you can see, by default, we get some randomly generated password, which isn't necessarily the easiest thing to remember or share with someone. So let's remove this one and set our own password. It does need to have 8 characters in the length. There we go. So from there, once you tap on OK, it will apply that password, as you can see. Then we have a couple additional settings that you can go over. So number one, we have hotspot name. This is going to be the name of the Wi-Fi. By default, it's always going to be the name of the device, unless you change it. We have also security, which I do recommend you to keep it as it is. Then we have the type of Wi-Fi hotspot. We do have the option for Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 5 with the benefit of, well, it looks like it turns on either both of them. Let's just quickly check. Oh, there we go. There's the AP band. So if you have a Wi-Fi 6 router, or not a router, a device that can connect to Wi-Fi 6, my bad, then you probably want to use that. This will be significantly better than the Wi-Fi 5. As the newer technology is faster overall. And then you also have the different AP bands right here. So the Wi-Fi band with the 2.4, which is the typical Wi-Fi, and then we have the 5 GHz one, which will be better than the 2.4. And outside of that, also, if we leave this, we have the AP band itself, and we can choose to either have 2.4 or 5 GHz, meaning that when you turn on hotspot, it will use one of those, or if you go with both, it will just enable both of them. And you can, if your device supports a 5 GHz, then it automatically connect to the 5 GHz one. And if your device is a little bit older and just simply doesn't support 5 GHz Wi-Fi, then we'll connect to the 2.4 instead, which gives you, I would say, a better usability here, a little bit easier. Especially if you don't know if your device supports or what band your device supports. Now, if you know what the device supports, so if it's 2.4 or 5 GHz, then choose the one or the other. This way you will have a little bit more or less battery strain. So anyway, once you have set it all up, you can simply either tap on the toggle right here to turn it on instantly, which doesn't support the dual band. Okay, there we go. So once you turn it on, you can quit it. Also, you can enable and disable it straight from your notification panel. I can find the toggle, there we go. So right here, so by tapping on it to turn it on or off, it will turn on and off, obviously. But I still recommend you to first go to the settings. So anyway, this is how you would set it up and use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.